Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kevin Lowe.
And I'm Dr. Micah Parkhurst.
We're thrilled to invite you to join us at the Master Campus in Dallas for an incredible learning experience like no other.
That's right, and get ready to dive deep into the world of cosmetic dentistry with our course, Anterior Aesthetics, live in the op.
This course is designed for dentists who want to take their skills to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned practitioner, there's something here for everyone.
We'll be focusing on the fundamentals of cosmetic dentistry with a special emphasis on replacing existing dentistry to achieve those predictable outcomes that are so essential.
One of the best aspects of this course is the immersive hands-on experience. As we work together to prepare and deliver a case, you'll have the best seat in the house. Thanks to our incredible optical zoom cameras, you'll get up close and personal with every detail, making this a best-in-class life patient experience.
And the best part, you can ask questions along the way. We're here to ensure you grasp every technique and concept. So don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity to elevate your skills in cosmetic dentistry. Join us for Anterior Aesthetics live in the op.